Right, jumped in the shower, stuck my hair, pardon me, into rulers. These are my vintage rulers. Not, they're just foam rulers. You can get them in Boots or, online. And they did my skin, and this is my night dress before I climb into bed, and my little headscarf holding in my curls while they get into bed. It's just more of it, more in light. That was very pretty. This is my 1960s night dress. So get up in the morning. So I did clean today. I just didn't film it because I thought, give you a break from cleaning and open the curtains, open the blinds, go and get my dressy going, or as they call it, a house coat. This is from the 1960s or 70s, I guess. My little house coat. Short sleeves. It's meant to do, and just do up little buttons and then tie them on the waist. Alright, get up early, make myself breakfast. Technically it's not early because it's like 1 o'clock in the afternoon, but the vibe is there. So just picking up the stuff I dropped, and now going to go downstairs. So fill up my kettle, clean the dishes that I had last night, get them all nice and clean, and my microwave dish, always make sure that's clean. Once I've done that, I'll make myself a cup of tea. But this time I'm going to use actual tea leaves. That's going to be nice. So it's all nice and clean. Rub down the sides. So this is going to make proper tea. So these are proper tea leaves. So I filled it up. This is I forget what kind of pot this is, but it's a diffuser where you put proper tea in the middle and then you put hot water in. I filled it up to the brim. So you're supposed to put 2 or 3 scoops in, but it's entirely up to you how strong you want your tea. So this I found in the charity shop, which I love. If you want to make proper tea, it just makes life a bit easier for me. So I just filled up to the top, and then you add hot water. Now I must admit, the longer you leave it, the better it is. When I made my cup of tea with my breakfast, it was not that strong. It was very, very weak tea, but you can still taste the strongness of the tea through it, if that makes sense. So it was nice. And then I got this like little just seeing how the lid goes on. So undo the lid. Going to grab my kettle. Put my kettle in. Now for breakfast, I didn't often fancy just a proper cup of tea and a bowl of cereal. So there's my tea. As you can see, it's a little bit weak, but what you're going to do, and then putting the lid back on. There's that. And then this little jug is a milk jug I bought in a charity shop, just, randomly. Well, not randomly because I wanted it, but randomly enough, I, have it. So, yeah, little milk jug. So I haven't got very much milk in the carton, or in the, I'm just going to dry this, in the milk, I'm going to say carton. So you just a little bit milk them, just dry that. This is my table set up, so salt and pepper, my cup, my tea, and my milk. And this is me just getting my bowl of Cocoa Pops. 1 second. Cocoa Pops was made in the 1958 in America, and then eventually came over here to the UK. So this is quite an accurate breakfast, I guess, for the 1950s. Or late 1950s, early 60s, I guess, for a nice cup of tea. So as you can see, it's coming out like liquid water. It's not great, but it is what it is. And then my little thing with milk, that was really nice. And then I'm just going to sit and eat my breakfast. What cereal was your favorite? I really like Cocoa Pops, but you know, what's yours? I don't like anything with nuts personally because that's just not me. So yeah, this is my breakfast. Just looking out the window, enjoying the view and things. Drink a tea, my little cup, my little china cup. I thought it was really cute. I got also from the charity shop, which I really like. The blue little rose on it. I thought that was quite pretty. And then I'm just gonna eat some more of my cereal. And then go to the bathroom and get freshened up. So now in the bathroom, I'm gonna take off my night dressing gown, so it's not getting any water on it and it's not getting dirty. It's hanging up the back of the door once I find the peg. So just tucking in my headscarf as keep my curls in my hair out of the way. So first of all, I'm going to put Pond's cream on my face, cold cream, to take away all the dirt and crap. This you can get anywhere really. Mainly I get it from Boots. So you rub it into your hand, rub it into your skin. Just take away dirt really, and open all your pores and just give you a fresh face really. I think that's the point of it anyway. I'm not entirely sure. So once I've done that, I will get a reusable face cloth and rinse it under hot water, and we'll use it to remove the cold cream off my skin. Make sure you get your neck as well. And once you've done that, rinse that out and put it in the wash. So once I've done that, I will splash my face a couple of times with hot water. Done that, and then I'll get my pear soap. Once again, you can get in Boots. That is lovely. I love the smell of this. It's wonderful. It's soapy. It's refreshing. I love the smell. Oop, shit, dropped that. And just use it all over your skin and your neck. Just get a nice foam and rub it into your skin till it's all foamy and clean. And then you'll use hot water once you're done to rinse it off. So hot water open pores, cold water to close pores, and hot water to like re-rinse your pores. So if you get what I mean, like you open your pores and then use hot water again to rinse out all the soap and crap, and then you use cold water to close your pores. That's what I do. So it's all nice hot water. Cold water even. And now I dab my face with a big towel. So once I've done that, get my face all nice and dry and make sure my neck is dry, I'll start brushing my teeth. So this is just an ordinary toothbrush I got for £1 or £2. Just scrubbing my teeth so your breath don't smell, and look after your teeth, what you want to do. Make sure you get a good foam. Just make sure my teeth are clean. I don't like having morning breath or the weird taste in my mouth, so I'm just trying to get that out. So once I've done that, I'll clean, and this is my 1970s original toothbrush holder, which I thought was really cute. The flowers and stuff. So this is me finished my cup of tea. Now I'm going to get changed. So I sort out my bed first, fold it down so it can air out for the day before I do anything. Sort out my pillows. And then we'll go on to get dressed. And today's the day I'm going to do cleaning. So I'm going to not wearing anything fancy at the minute. I'm just going to do housework. Now, if you want to see me do housework, check out my other videos. It's just me cleaning. This time I didn't film any of my cleaning, even though I should have, but I didn't, as I felt it'd be better for me not to, because you've seen that a lot. So like I stripped the sofa, hoovered everywhere, did dusting, and did the skirting boards. What needs done. Wearing a bra, petticoat, a white blouse, just a simple little white blouse to go on top. So I just had to figure out the buttons. I'm like stuck over my head with my curls in. So sort that out. There we go. And then I'm going to wear a skirt. And that will be my outfit of today. So this is a skirt I picked up in a charity shop. My whole outfit is charity shop or eBay. I think my skirt might be in eBay. Top charity shop and petticoat eBay. So my nice fluffy frilly skirt. Figured because it's white in the skirt, there's white in my top. You know, it goes. Then I'm going to take out. So then I'm going to get a new headscarf and to match my outfit. And put my curls in it as I work around cleaning the house. So just tying that in a nice little knot so it's out of my way and it's all sorted. And then just tuck away the bit that's, hanging. So my skin's all nice and clean. So I'll get witch hazel on a cotton pad and go over my skin. Just a bit of help. Witch hazel is natural and a good to rehydrate your skin after you've just put soap on it, so it makes it nice and makes it dry. And then having a drink of tea. So this is the rest of my pot I got so in my cup. So once I've done that, I'll put Olay cream on my skin just to moisturize my skin. As you can see, it's very bad broken out, but that's the joys of having having women problems. And yeah, so this is foundation. I tried rubbing it in my hands. That was not working. So I bowled out a beauty blender to blend in my makeup, so it looks a lot more subtle. So it works. So it works better and more blended, and I actually like what it looks like. Just add a bit mascara. Just make it look a little bit natural, and you can see my eyelashes, which I'm not entirely sure, but I'll do. Yeah, ignore the face I am pulling for mascara. It's never good. No one looks good putting on mascara. That's just a fact. Using my compact powder to finish off my foundation so it's set and stays on my skin. This is my vintage compact. It's from the 1950s, which I love. It's very nice, and with a little puffy powder press, tapping the foundation into my skin. So this is me going out. It's my outfit. This is what I look like. Going out, walking the dog, done my eyebrows, done my makeup. So now I'm out walking the dog. I went out like this, walking in High Street, walking about with the dog with my hair and curls and a coat on because it's sunny but not as warm. I got back and this is just me showing my outfit. So now halfway through the day I've done all my housework, all my cleaning, all my bits. So I'm going to change my outfit into a nice dress to greet. You normally do this when you greet your husband or have guests over, you would change your outfit after a hard day cleaning. So this is my original 1950s dress. I got it in Brighton. It comes with a belt, which I love. It's comfortable, it sits well, it's got pockets. You know, there's not more you can want from a dress than, you know, pockets. So I just fixing my garter belt, fixing my underwear, just fixing my stockings, you know, fixing everything really. As I fix my petticoat. And then getting into my ready for dinner, the evening, anything I need to do. So just sorting out my dress. And then it's got buttons at the front, so do up the buttons. Once all dressed, I remove my curls and sort out my hair. So this is what I went with. A nice curl hair. Some of my curls didn't set, so that's a bitch. But, you know, overall, not bad. I did my eyebrows, my foundation's fine. Just trying to figure out what to do with this puff. This bit of hair. Trying to curl it, even though it was like, you know, naturally curled. I've got my hair pinned back, and I've got 2 hair combs in each side. Blue with little white flowers, which I love. Right, done. Happy with it, I guess. And then I get the hairspray and cover my hair and hope for the best. It's the best I'm gonna get. And then this is me going to the shop, all dressed, sunglasses on, just paying for some stuff, and that's it.